If you're a Ghostbusters fan, you definitely want to check out this super cool license plate of the ECTO-1 from the Afterlife movie, the new sequel. So definitely want to check this one out. This is how it looks like in the back. I really like it because it looks like outdated and old, like it does, all rusted and all of that from the Afterlife movie from the old ECTO-1. So I really like it, and of course you can pin it right here. It has two holes here. So I just use two thumbtacks, these two, and then I just put it on my wall so I don't have to put, big holes in the wall. So it's very nice, pops out. As you can see, it looks like a real license plate. It is, it's plastic. It's a little thin, the plastic. So I personally probably wouldn't put it on like an actual car just because of the sun and the damage. It might get damaged pretty easily. But it would be nice to hang somewhere in a garage or in your room or anywhere like that. So it's pretty cool. So I hope you check it out.